Alaikum, dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Student, look. Today our topic is 10.4 Exercise 1 Word Problem, Question number 5, Page number 126, Lesson number 19. Look. This is 10.4 exercise 1 from your book, page number 126. Okay? Okay, at first we read the questions. Question number 5. The distance from Arun house to his uncle house is 9.8 km. He walks 950 meter to the bus stop. He walks 950 meter to the bus stop. Then he moves 6.5 km on a bus. How long remains to go to uncle's house? Okay? Express in kilometer and then meter. Okay? Okay, let us solve. Let's write the distance from Arun house to is 9.8 km. Now we have to convert kilometer to meter. So 9.8 into 1000. Right here, this is meter, and we know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Look, for point we take 1 for 80, then 1000 meter. Okay. Student, look here. For decimal point, we take here 1, for 80, 1000, 1000. Now reduce this, then we get 100. Now multiply with 98, 9800 meter. That means 9800 meter. Now the second step is he walks 950 meter to the bus stop. Okay, that means he walks 950 meter. Already this is convert into meter, but the second step, then he moves 6.5 km on bus. You see, 6.5 km. Now we have to convert kilometer to meter, right? Arun travels by bus equal to what? Equal to 6.5 km. Now we have to convert 6.5 into 1000. This is meter. Okay. Divide, then we get 100. 6500 meter. Okay. Now at first we will determine in total he travels how many distance. Okay. Look, Arun travels by bus 6500 meter and he walks 950 meter. Okay, right. Now Arun walks 950 meter. He travels by bus 6500 meters. That means in total he travels. Look, in total he travels, adding now 0, 5, 9 plus 5, right? Okay. 9 plus 5, 14, and you have 1 in your hand. 1 plus 6, 7. Okay, now it comes 7. Look student, in total he travels 7,450 meter, and distance from own house to his uncle house is 9,800 meter. Okay, right. Again, the distance from own house to his uncle house (9,800 meter), and in total travels equal to what? In total, Urun travels 7,450 meter. Now we have to subtract. Okay, right here. Therefore, the remaining distance from his uncle house is, subtract now, 0, 5, we have 1, 5, 8 minus 5 equal to 3, 9 minus 7 equal to 2. That means remaining distance from his uncle house is 2,350 meter. Now we have got one result, but our second step or second sub question is express in it into kilometer. Okay, now write now 2,350 meter. This is equal to what? 2350 by 1000 kilometer. We know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Look, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 30. So we have to divide this, then we get 2.350 kilometer. Okay, you see student, 1, 2, 3, there is 30, so you have to put the point after 3 digits and remember from right to left, this side to this side. Okay, 2.350. Now write the answer. Write the answer. 2.350 kilometer and 2350 meter. Okay student, this is our required result. Okay student, I hope you understood today's topic. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.